Eid Mubarak to everyone gathered here today. On behalf of Solacium Pharma, I extend warmest greetings as we celebrate the joyous occasion of Eid ul-Fitr. Ramadan has been a time of spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and compassion, and now we rejoice in its culmination. Let us remember the less fortunate and extend a helping hand to those in need. May the spirit of Ramadan continue to guide us in our daily lives, inspiring acts of kindness and generosity. As a pharmaceutical company committed to improving healthcare, we reaffirm our dedication to serving our patients and communities with compassion and integrity. Together, let us embrace the values of empathy, unity, and peace, fostering a world filled with hope and understanding. Eid Mubarak to you and your families. May this blessed day be filled with love, happiness, and blessings. Thank you for your hard work and dedication throughout the year. Let us continue to spread joy and goodwill as we embark on this new chapter.